In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count total number of selected emails in Outlook in New Outlook or Outlook on Web. Let's start with the New Outlook and Outlook on the web. Open the folder you're working in, like Inbox or Sent Items, and simply click the checkboxes next to the emails you want to count. As you select, look near the top of the message list or along the side of the screen. Outlook will display a live counter that tells you how many items you've selected. This makes it easy to highlight a handful of messages for cleanup, export, or follow-up and immediately see the total without doing any manual tallying. If your view is set to group emails by conversation, the counter may say, Conversation Selected, which means it's counting threads rather than individual messages. That's normal for conversation view. The key point is that the number updates instantly as you add or remove checkmarks, so you always know exactly how many items you're working with before you move, archive, or delete them. Now, if you're using Classic Outlook on Windows and you want to know how many items are in an entire folder, including both read and unread messages, you can change what the folder shows in the left pane. Right-click the folder you want to check, such as Inbox or a project folder, and choose Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, go to the General tab. Here, select the option labeled Show Total Number of Items, then click Apply, and click OK. From now on, that folder will display the total count of all items, not just the number of unread messages. This is especially helpful if you need a quick snapshot of volume for reporting, cleanup, or mailbox management. If you later prefer to monitor only unread messages, you can return to the same setting and switch it back. The change is instant and only affects the folder you adjusted, so you can configure different folders in different ways, depending on what you need. That's it. Thanks for watching.